I'm Josh from Job and Josh's History Hubs and Reviews, and today we're looking at something sent to us by an amazing company on Amazon. They reached out to us on our email address found on our profile, and they said, hey, we want you guys to review these things. We'll refund your money as soon as you pay for them, as soon as they ship. They were very nice people, very, very nice people. And they ended up doing everything that was supposed to happen. It came here in 2 days, and they were some amazing products. So let us see. This is our third company that's reached out to us on Amazon that wanted us to review stuff for them. So if you like what you see, please, please buy this from them. Buy these things from them. The links are in the description below. What you are looking at right now is the Fantaseal Make It Different novelty design for a better experience. It is actually a device that allows you to put your GoPro, your Sony action cam, your Nikon action cam, whatever you choose to use, whatever kind of action cam you use, onto a gun, a weapon, a countertop, whatever it'll fit on. And this is very useful. This is what they use on Swamp People. So if you want to make a Swamp People parody, and you want to make a Swamp People parody, you'll buy this, and you can put it on any rifle that has a railing, any handgun that has a railing that you can twist and attach it to. I have a few examples over here of some BB guns as well, if you want to do the safer route of Swamp People with BB guns and just like do a parody of it. We're going to open this one up, and we're going to see exactly how it looks on a gun after we get some close-ups of it. Now, they do come with the tools. They come with the hex tool. If you can see it, the hex tool right there. Hex tool is this one. It's kind of hidden by the button. That's the hex tool right there, hex tool. And then this one is the clamp, and I believe it is the GoPro clamp. I could be wrong. Yes, it is. It's the GoPro clamp, the twisty GoPro clamp. Very unique looking one. You can even put a tripod mount on the top of this thing if you can see it. Let me just take it out because I'm getting a lot of glare. But oh my God, I'm in love with this thing. Look at this. Tripod mount clamp, and twist your tripod mount on it. So you can use this tripod mount, I believe. Oh, these two go together perfectly. Look at that. And that's not even supposed to go for this one. It's supposed to be for the selfie stick. That is amazing. You get a 2-for-1 with these two great products. Oh my God. You will have the ultimate wildlife YouTube channel if you buy both of these things. The most perfect hunting YouTube channel if you use both of these things. You need to buy them both together and tell them that History of Reviews referred you. So, we're going to take this out and show this up close. I'm so impressed with these products. And I'm so impressed with their customer service. They respond to every email in a timely manner. They're a very, very good Amazon company. They all need to be millionaires. They all need to get promotions. Now, you can use a flathead screwdriver to tighten these bolts on. You can loosen this to expand it so that you can put it on a wider gun, a wider weapon. And you can tighten it, so you can loosen it, and then you can tighten it, so it can fit whatever gun railing you have. These are just things that wildlife, TV news people, everything, YouTubers, they need these products. And now we are going to test them. We're going to test them, and we're going to love it. Thank you for watching.